The study aimed to understand older adults' familiarity with and barriers to interacting with new technologies and tablets, as well as utilize user engagement in refining an intervention protocol. 18 novice tablet users participated in discussions about their perceptions of and barriers to interacting with tablets. The focus groups explored attitudes towards tablets and technology in general, perceived advantages and disadvantages of using tablets, familiarity with, and barriers to interacting with tablets. The themes that emerged were related to barriers, disadvantages and concerns, advantages, and skepticism about using tablets and technology in general. After brief exposure to tablets, participants emphasized the likelihood of using a tablet in the future. The findings suggest that most participants were eager to adopt new technology, but voiced apprehension about lack of instructions and support. Understanding older adults' perceptions of technology is important to assist with introducing it to this population and maximize its potential to facilitate independent living.
This article was authored by Eleftheria Vaportsis, Maria Giazzi-Clausen, Alan J. Gao, and others.
We are article.tv, links in the description below.